My name is Rihan. I was never a patient person. I wanted fast results, fast success, fast improvement. If something took time, I became frustrated. When I started learning English, I wanted to speak fluently in 1 month. When I started exercising, I wanted a strong body in 2 weeks. When I worked toward my goals, I wanted success immediately. But life did not work that way. One day, I planted a small seed in a pot. I watered it carefully. I placed it near sunlight. The next morning, I checked the pot. Nothing. The second day, I checked again. Nothing. After 1 week, I felt disappointed. I said, "This seed is useless. It is not growing." My grandfather saw me looking at the pot. He asked gently, "What are you waiting for?" I said, "I planted a seed, but nothing is happening." He smiled calmly. He said, "Growth is invisible at first." I did not understand. He continued, "When you plant a seed, it grows under the soil first. Roots are forming. Strength is building. Life is preparing. You cannot see it yet, but it is happening." I listened quietly. He said something that changed my thinking. Impatience destroys effort, but patience protects effort. Those words stayed in my heart. Days passed. I continued watering the plant. I stopped checking every hour. I stopped complaining. And one morning, I saw a small green leaf. It was tiny, but it was real. I felt happy, not because it grew fast, but because I waited. At that moment, I understood something important. Life is like that seed. When you study daily, you may not see immediate results. When you practice speaking English, you may not feel fluent quickly. When you work toward your goals, you may not see success immediately. But growth is happening, slowly, silently, deep inside. After that day, I changed my habits. I studied English for 30 minutes daily. Even when I felt bored, I practiced speaking slowly. Even when I made mistakes, I exercised regularly, even when my body felt tired. I stopped looking for quick success. I focused on steady progress. Weeks turned into months. And one day, I noticed something surprising. I was speaking more confidently. I was thinking more clearly. I was stronger than before. The change was slow, but it was powerful. Now I understand this truth. Patience is not waiting lazily. Patience is working calmly while trusting the process. If you rush growth, you become frustrated. If you stay patient, you become stronger. Today, when I feel impatient, I remember the small green leaf, and I tell myself, keep watering, keep trying, keep believing, because everything beautiful takes time. Final thought. If you are learning something new, do not give up quickly. Be patient. Be consistent. Trust your progress. Growth may be slow, but it is real. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep practicing daily. And always remember, patience turns effort into success.